Alright guys, there was also a request I do problem 1C, which is one of these proofs, partially because I think students wanted it for this homework, but partially just to have a reference online so when you go to study for the exam, you'll have a video to refer to. So this is problem 1C. It says, given the function 4x squared minus 5x plus 1, prove that f prime of x, or the derivative, is equal to 8x minus 5. So let me go ahead and do that. And the way you're going to make this proof, because they're asking you for a derivative, this is the key word, that means you're going to do limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h on this function. In other words, you're going to take the derivative of this and make sure you get 8x minus 5. On the exam, we probably will not give you what the answer should be. We'll just ask you to take the derivative. Okay? So, first step is take x plus h and plug that in for x. Remember, if I had asked you to find f of 2, you'd put 2 in here. If I said find f of 0, you'd put 0 for x. If I said find f of Barack Obama, you'd put Barack Obama for x. So, x plus h goes in for x plus h goes in for x, plus 1. That's f of x plus h, minus f of x, that's just the function, putting it in parentheses so I remember to distribute, all over h. Okay? Now, go ahead and on this next step, I'm going to use the box method on this. I didn't show that here because I didn't have the space, but remember, this is just the box. If you need a video, if you need a tutorial on this, please come sometime on after school for a tutorial. So I've got 4 times this, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. This is coming from the box. Minus, go ahead and distribute the 5. Minus 5x minus 5h plus 1. Go ahead and distribute this negative, so minus 4x squared. Minus and minus plus 5x minus and minus 1, all divided by h. Go ahead and distribute the 4 here. So 4x squared plus 8xh plus 4h squared minus 5x minus 5h. Bring that down. Bring down the plus 1. Bring down the minus 4x squared. Bring down the plus 5x. Bring down the minus 1. Okay? Now the cancellation. This 4x squared goes away with that negative 4x squared. 8xh comes straight down. 4h squared comes straight down. Minus 5x goes away with plus 5x. Minus 5h comes straight down. Positive 1 goes away with negative 1. So this is what I'm left with. Still doing a limit, still divided by h. Now I notice I can factor h from the top. Go ahead and do that. H's cancel out, so I'm left with limit as h goes to 0 of 8x plus 4h minus 5. Plug in 0 for h, and what do I get? 8x minus 5 equals f prime of x. Exactly what I was supposed to get when I did the proof. Let me zoom out so everybody can see exactly how this looks. And with that, I'm going to sign off. I will see you all tomorrow.